Well, hello everyone and welcome back to Lap of the World. I'm Richard, and as you could no doubt tell by the introduction, some things are going to probably change a little bit on the channel going forward. I'm going to address this. It's been something I've been struggling with for several months at this point, as I've been trying to get some momentum in 2019 and get the ball rolling with the channel and find things to go and do that'll be entertaining to both me and you. And at some point I realized that I'm doing things the hard way, and I should really change it and just go with the proven formula for car YouTuber success. So what I've decided to do going forward, after having made the excruciating decision to sell the NSX, is I'll probably be finding some new supercar to finance every 9 months to a year, and I'll go through and generate a bunch of content with it, and then I'll move on. It'll kind of give me an opportunity to try different things and get out there, and then have more of an Instagram presence with the cars that are really right up front with pop culture and things like that. So to get me started, again, after having sold the NSX, I have now gone and bought a Lamborghini because that's going to get clicks. Let's be honest. Obviously, I'm not going to take this on the track. It's too expensive to fix, but it is bright yellow, so that's a thing. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. We're going to start out with some probably light mods. Maybe I'll put an exhaust on it, some wheels. The whole wrap thing's been done a bunch. Maybe I could find my own flavor to that, but we'll have to see what comes out of it. But anyway, that's real tough decisions have to be made sometimes in business, and this is one of them. So I hope you guys will bear with me or forgive me, as the case may be, and be sure and stay tuned for the sponsorship opportunities and probably some branded merch. We'll get all that set up, and then we'll go from there. So we're going to rebrand a little bit. This is going to be Lamborghini on the Way instead of Lap of the World. And that's going to, we'll kind of roll that in with everything else. I'll have to redo some of my t-shirts, but that's it, small sacrifices to make. Anyway, welcome to the new improved Lamborghini on the Way, and we'll catch you guys on the other side. Just a very quick update today. What? It's April 1st. I had to mess with you guys at least a little bit, but yeah, no, I'm never selling the NSX. That should be a given. You'll probably have to pry the keys from my cold dead hands and then fight my wife for them after that. It's not going anywhere. We're actually driving it right now, as you can probably tell, and we're on the way to the North Carolina Center for Automotive Research for the first track day of the season. That's a video that you should see, I think, tomorrow if I get everything edited right, or edited efficiently, I guess. But yeah, no, just playing. Everything in that introduction was a joke. Carry on. So, not everything I said at the beginning of this video was a joke. The reality is I am in fact the new owner of one 2004 gated manual Gallardo. Now, that's not going to really entail any of the other changes to the channel that I joked about at the beginning, and I apologize for any heart attacks that may have happened in the NSX community. I'm not going anywhere, don't worry. That car is still going to be the standby for 90% of Lap of the World ventures going forward, just because that is what it is. I'm not straying from the path, don't worry. But it's an itch I had to scratch, so here it is. You'll see it on the channel some. It'll be around. Anyway, I'm going to call it there. This has been hopefully entertaining, if not anything else. But enjoy the rest of your April 1st, and I will see you in the next video, if not at the track. I'm Richard, and don't worry, this is still Lap of the World.